Welcome back to World Explorer Mind WEM, where we uncover the stories shaping our world today. From hidden histories to global game changers, you're watching World Explorer Mind WEM if you enjoyed this video. Please consider subscribing to join our community. I really appreciate you being here. If you want to see more content like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Let's get started. Humanoid robots, a new industrial revolution? China is not just building humanoid robots. It's creating a comprehensive ecosystem to support their mass production and deployment. The government's strategic vision is clear. Humanoid robots are a key pillar of future economic growth and a solution to the country's aging population and labor challenges. Government-led strategy. The Ministry of Industry and Information Technology has issued guidelines to foster the innovative development of humanoid robots, aiming for China to be a global center of excellence by 2029. This national strategy is being supported by local governments, with cities like Beijing, Shenzhen, and Shandong incorporating humanoid robotics into their economic plans and offering significant financial incentives. From prototypes to mass production, companies like Unitree and Agibot are leading the charge. Unitree, for instance, has demonstrated its ability to create robots with human-like dexterity and movement. A key development is the shift from lab prototypes to large-scale manufacturing, with some Chinese companies already beginning to mass-produce humanoid robots for industrial and consumer use. Real-world applications. The shocking part of this development is not just the technology itself, but its immediate application. Humanoid robots are being integrated into various sectors: retail, fully autonomous. Humanoid-operated kiosks are being deployed in retail stores, handling everything from stocking shelves to customer service. Manufacturing. In automobile manufacturing, robots are being used for assembly, quality checks, and material transfer. Logistics. The robots are being tested for their ability to navigate complex, unpredictable environments like warehouses. Shared technology. A significant advantage for China is the synergy between its humanoid robotics and electric vehicle industries. Many of the core components, such as servo motors, sensors, and AI chips, are shared between the two sectors. This creates economies of scale and accelerates innovation, similar to how China leveraged its strengths in EVs and solar energy. Smart cities. Data-driven urban management. China's approach to smart cities is characterized by a top-down, government-led strategy that leverages technology to create highly integrated and efficient urban centers. The city brain concept, pioneered by Alibaba. The city brain is an AI-powered platform that acts as the central nervous system of a city. It gathers and processes massive amounts of data from various sources, including traffic cameras, public transport systems, and IoT sensors. Traffic management. In Hangzhou, the city brain has been credited with reducing traffic congestion by adjusting traffic signals in real time. It can also detect accidents and alert emergency services instantly. Beyond traffic, the platform's scope has expanded to include environmental monitoring, public security, and even optimizing government services. Some cities use it to track pollution, while others have used it for contact tracing during the pandemic. Key technologies. The foundation of these smart cities is a combination of cutting-edge technologies. 5G networks, high-speed, low-latency 5G connectivity is essential for the seamless flow of data between millions of IoT devices. Digital twin technology. Cities are creating virtual models of their urban spaces, known as digital twins. These models allow for real-time simulation and analysis of urban challenges, enabling city planners to make data-driven decisions. International implications. China is actively exporting its smart city model to other countries, particularly through the Belt and Road Initiative. While this is framed as a way to improve urban efficiency, it also raises concerns among some Western observers about the use of surveillance technologies and data privacy. Supercars and the EV revolution. China's dominance in the global EV market extends beyond affordable consumer cars to high-performance supercars that rival established luxury brands. High-performance EVs. Companies like NIO and BYD's Yangwang brand are at the forefront of this push. The NIO EP9, for example, is a testament to Chinese engineering, with a total power output of 1,360 horsepower, and the ability to generate downforce comparable to a Formula One car. It has set multiple track records, pushing the boundaries. BYD's Yangwang brand is a prime example of this aggressive push. Its Yangwang U9 is a quad-motor electric supercar that boasts nearly 3,000 horsepower and can even dance or jump using its advanced suspension architecture. The brand's focus is not just on speed but on demonstrating the technological superiority of Chinese EVs. Market dominance. China's EV market is the largest in the world, with Chinese manufacturers holding the top spots. This is driven by strong government support and a fiercely competitive domestic market that has led to a race for innovation. This has resulted in a wide range of EV models across all segments, from affordable small cars to luxury supercars. China accounted for nearly half of all global electric car sales in 2024, with its share of the global market exceeding two-thirds. This rapid growth has been supported by various incentives, including trade-in schemes that encourage consumers to switch to new energy vehicles. That's today's story. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me for the next one more stories coming your way soon. Don't just watch history, be part of it. Subscribe and join the journey. Thanks for watching World Explorer Mind of UEM.